Hello, how's it going guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this YouTube video. In this video guys, I'll be walking you to the entire process of how to use Chroma Key on Capcut. This is a really simple process. I really love this app. I just discovered this app like a few weeks ago and I put a lot of time into really understanding the app, and I edited a lot of apps including my videos on my YouTube channel. So it's a great app. Like, it's amazing what you can do on your iPad, on your phone. I edited the videos on my phone. I edited them on my iPad, so it's great. Now I'll be showing you how to use Chroma Key, so let's jump right into the video. So open the app Capcut, and tab on New Project. It's really simple. What I like, first of all, what I like about this app is that it's really intuitive. Like, you don't really need any. I mean, you need kind of like tutorials, but I mean, like, because I already am familiar with other apps, and that's why I kind of understood this app. I was like, it was really intuitive for me for the first time, this app, but I still need to learn a lot. So let's jump right into the video. Tab on New Project and add your file. This is my first file and is the background, so add this file. And now, as you can see, I have this file and I want to add something over it, this dinosaur or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I just want to split this video, cut this video so it's shorter. And don't forget, when you add your project, your videos in Capcut, there's always in the end this like little video, Capcut, tap to edit, just delete if you don't want it. I never use it. But now we want to add another video overlay, another video over this video, on top of this video. So we need to tap on overlay, this right here, overlay. And we need to add, again, we need to tap on add overlay right here in the middle. Tab, add overlay, and I'll choose this video. This is the first one, alright? I'll put it right here. And I want to add another one. Add overlay, and I'll choose this one, this subscribe one. It's really use this one and it's really awesome as well. Okay, so let's put it right here. Make another even over this one. It's really awesome with this application, and I'll put it right here so there's not a mess here, because I'm putting too many, then it will be a mess. So let's see how you can do it. We have two videos right here, one here and the other one here. It's an overlay, but we want to use our Chroma Key. Okay, to use the Chroma Key, all you gotta do is to tab on here, Chroma Key. And as you can see, now I need to move this circle on the green spot and tap on OK. Alright, so move this here and increase the intensity. Sorry, I need to increase the intensity. Increase the here, and select. Don't forget to select the video, and then just tap on Chroma Key, as I said, and move this to the green spot and increase the intensity and the shadow. Tap on OK. Really easy. Alright, now you move the shadow, if there's any shadow, and tap on OK. Now, as you can see, I have the dinosaur here and looks really well. Now let me show you how we can remove the chroma key, the background that is green. on this video, just select this video and tap on Chroma Key, and now move this screen over here to the green spot and just increase the intensity and the shadow to the percentage you want. Please tap on OK right now, and I need to edit this one, to crop this one, because as you can see there's a little line, black line right there on the top, and I want to remove that. So as you can see now, I don't have any black line on the top of the video, so now it works really well. Now as you can see, it works. I can edit this video, I can move it, I'll put it right here. Subscribe. By the way guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If this video is helping you, please just subscribe and like this video, will help me a ton. And as you can see this video right here, let's edit this video and put it a little bit here. It's like it's walking to the jungle. And now what can I do right now is to add animation. You can add animation, you can add filters, and if you want to add a little bit like a background, some light, some shadow, you can do it. But yeah, just that's the end of the video. That's how you remove the green from behind. That's using Chroma Key. It's really easy on this app. It's awesome, it's free. So guys, if this video helped you, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and showing me support. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Take care.